Number 1. 1974 Ford F100 Custom, $2,000, Ukiah, California. This 1974 Ford F100 Custom is a tough, vintage four-wheel drive truck with a raw, utilitarian look. Powered by a V8 engine running on propane, it offers an uncommon alternative fuel setup that will appeal to niche and off-grid enthusiasts. The automatic transmission and clean title add value, while inoperative power steering, windshield washer issues, and visible rust make it better suited as a project rather than a daily driver. Overall, it is an inexpensive entry into classic four-wheel drive ownership with plenty of character. Number 2. 1980 Volkswagen Rabbit Caddy Diesel, $3,400, Shaver Lake, California. This 1980 Volkswagen Rabbit Caddy Diesel is a rare compact pickup known for efficiency and longevity. It features a fully rebuilt diesel engine with fewer than 10,000 miles and a 5-speed manual transmission. Cosmetic imperfections and a charging system issue remain, but the clean title and excellent fuel economy make it an appealing and economical classic. It is well suited for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a unique European utility vehicle. Number 3. 1988 Toyota Truck Running Project, $3,500, Hillsboro, Oregon. This 1988 Toyota pickup is one of the most durable compact trucks of its era. Equipped with a rebuilt 22R 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it delivers proven reliability. Headers and a straight exhaust add personality, while new tires and a clean Oregon title increase its appeal. As a running project, it is a solid candidate for light restoration or dependable daily use. Number 4. 1971 Chevrolet Cheyenne C20 Long Bed, $7,899, Placer County, California. This 1971 Chevrolet Cheyenne C20 is a 3/4-ton long bed truck with strong originality and classic work truck presence. It retains original paint, trim, and tinted glass along with camper-related equipment. The 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission previously ran well, but will need recommissioning after extended storage. Missing title paperwork and localized rust make this best suited for an experienced restorer focused on authenticity. Number 5. 1985 Dodge Ram Prospector Edition, $11,000, Spokane, Washington. This 1985 Dodge Ram Prospector Edition is a desirable four-wheel drive truck known for rugged construction and limited production. Powered by a V8 engine with a manual transmission, it offers classic off-road capability. The truck retains its original trim and shows a solid body, though it has been sitting and will need mechanical attention. With a clean title and relatively low indicated mileage, it is an excellent restoration or preservation candidate. Number 6. 1970 Ford F100, $4,600, Lakewood, Colorado. This 1970 Ford F100 is a classic half-ton pickup featuring a 360 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Recent updates to ignition components and tires help it run well, while the mostly original interior and working factory radio add vintage charm. Brake and electrical concerns, along with typical rust, place it in the category of a usable driver that still needs ongoing care. Number 7. 1998 Chevrolet S Pickup, $500. Anacortes, Washington. This 1998 Chevrolet S Pickup is a low-cost project or donor vehicle rather than a collectible classic. Equipped with a V6 engine, automatic transmission, and clean title, it runs but shows heavy wear and requires work. Its salvage condition is reflected in the price, making it best suited for parts use, farm duty, or a budget mechanical project. Number 8. 1964 Ford Truck, $10,000. Pueblo, Colorado. This 1964 Ford truck features clean early 60s styling paired with a V8 engine and manual transmission. Custom wheels and performance tires give it a mild hot rod look, and it reportedly runs well. Odometer issues are typical for trucks of this age. With a clean title and solid overall presentation, it appeals to buyers seeking a visually striking vintage pickup that can be driven and enjoyed. Number 9. 1986 Chevrolet Scottsdale K30, $11,000, Kalispell, Montana. This 1986 Chevrolet Scottsdale K30 is a heavy-duty one-ton four-wheel drive truck built for serious work. Powered by a big block 454 V8, it offers strong towing capability and includes camper specialist equipment. Minimal rust and recent maintenance enhance its dependability. So, this truck is ideal for enthusiasts who prioritize capability and durability over cosmetic perfection. Number 10. 1976 Ford F100 Stepside, $15,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1906 Ford F100 Stepside is a well-prepared classic pickup featuring a fully rebuilt 351 Windsor V8 and a floor-shift manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning improve drivability, while extensive recent upgrades reduce immediate maintenance needs. With its distinctive stepside bed and clean title, it stands as a strong driver quality classic. Number 11. 1963 Ford Ranchero, $12,000, Santa Ynez, California. This 1963 Ford Ranchero is an iconic car-based pickup that blends passenger car comfort with light utility. Powered by a 170 inline-6 engine and a 3-speed column-shift transmission, it delivers smooth, reliable performance. The restored interior and solid body condition add to its appeal. With a clean title and timeless design, it is an excellent choice for collectors seeking a unique and practical vintage vehicle.